Hello everyone, I am Nikita. Now I am going to explain operators in C language. Introduction to operators. Operators are symbols used to perform operations on variables and values. Example star, plus, minus, modulus, slash, equals to, etc. They are the building blocks of expressions and help manipulate data. Types of operators. There are 8 types of operators. They are arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, conditional operators, increment or decrement operators, and special operators. Arithmetic operators. It is used to perform mathematical operations on operands. Like addition, it performs additions on operands. Example, if we give a is equals to 5 and b is equals to 4, then a plus b will be 9. Subtraction, it performs subtraction on operands. Example, a minus b is equals to 1. Multiplication, it performs multiplication on operands. Example, a into b is equals to 20. Divisions. It performs divisions on operands and it is used to get output as quotient. Example, a by b is equals to 2. Modulus. It performs division on operators and it is used to get output as remainder. Example, a modulus b is equals to 0. Example program, two arithmetic operators will be slash to perform arithmetic operation on two operands. The preprocessor will be include stdio.h and the main section starts here. First we should initialize a and b values like a is equals to 15, b is equals to 3 and for division we will give variable as division div where div is equals to a slash b. The next statement will be printf. In the division is equals to percentile comma a by b and the main will close here and the output will be division is equals to 5. Relational operators. It is used to compare two values or operands like equal to. It is used to check whether the given values are equal. Not equals to. It is used to check whether the given values are not equal. Greater than. It is used to check the larger value among the given values. Less than. It is used to check the smaller among two given numbers. Greater or equal to. It is used to check whether the given value is greater than or equal to the another value. Less or equal. It is used to check whether the given value is less than or equal to another value. The example program for the relational operators will be the preprocessor is include stdio.h and the main section starts here. Int a, if we should initialize three variables like a is equals to 10, b is equals to 3 and the another variable like comp and the if block starts here. If a less than b, then the statement will be printf a is less than b, else printf a is greater than b and the main section closes here and the output will be a is greater than b. Another logical operators. It is used to compare two conditions, logical and it is used to check whether if the two conditions are true, it will give output as true or else false if any of the conditions or both conditions are false. Logical NOT. It is used to check output as true if the out condition is false and vice versa. Example program for logical operators is double slash to perform logical operations on given values. And the preprocessor will be include stdio.h. The main section starts here. First, we should initialize three variables like a is equals to 9, b is equals to 2, and another variable like c. If c is equals to not equals to a, a greater than b, printf c is equals to percentile d, where percentile d is not equals to a greater than b. And the main section will close here. Here a is greater than b, so the output will be false. Bitwise operators. It performs bitwise operations like bitwise AND, bitwise SOR, bitwise NOT, left shift and right shift. Next, assignment operators. It assigns values to variables like a is equals to b, a plus equals to b, a minus equals to b, a star equals to b, a slash is equals to b, and a modulus equals to b. Example. Here the main section starts. First we should initialize two variables. A is equals to 6 and another variable like b. And next we should initialize b is equals to a, where value of a will store in b value. And the next statement will be printf. b is equals to percentile d, comma a. And the main section closes here. And the output will be b is equals to 6. Increment or decrement operators. It is used to increase or decrease a given value by 1, like a plus plus or plus plus a, and a minus minus or minus minus a. Example, double slash to print the values. Hashtag. The preprocessor statements will be hashtag include stdio.h and hashtag include conio.h. Void main of void. The main section starts here. Int. First we should initialize three variables. I is equals to 1 and n comma b. First we should enter the values of n, and in the scanf it will read the values of n. Here the while loop starts. The condition will be a less than or equals to n. In the while loop, the statement will be printf b is equals to percentile d, where percentile d is I. And next we should increment the I value. And the while loop closes here and the main section will closes here. If we give output as n is equals to 5, then it will print p is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Conditional operators. It is used in if-else statement. Syntax will be condition question mark expression 1 semicolon expression 2. Example will be to perform conditional operations. Preprocessor will be include stdio.h. And the main section starts here. First we should initialize two variables. A is equals to 7 and b is equals to 9. Then the condition will be a greater than b. And the next statement will be printf a is greater than b, or else printf b is greater than a. The main section closes here. If a is greater than b is 2, then it will print a is greater than b. If a is greater than b is false statement, then it will print b is greater than a. So the output will be b is greater than a. The next operator will be special operators. It is used for special purpose, like size of. It will return size of a data type. Example, size of int. Pointer operator used for a addresses and dereferencing. Example, star a, comma, ampersand 8. The example program for special operators will be documentation section. / to perform special operations. And the preprocessor will be hashtag include stdio.h, hashtag include conio.h. And the main section starts here. Here, first we should initialize two variables, a is equals to 10 and star p, where star p is pointers. Printf, value of a is equals to percentile and address of a is equals to percentile u. Here, u indicates address of the variable. The next statement will be value of star p is equals to percentile. Address of p is equals to percentile u. Then we should initialize p is equals to ampersand a, where address of a stores in the value of p. Next statement will be printf. Value of a is equals to percentile. Address a is equals to percentile. The next statement will be printf. Value of p is equals to percentile. Address of p is equals to percentile. Thank you everyone.